welcome back to my channel. So basically, my car needs a major refresh. So we're gonna clean it out today and add some new stuff in there, get it all clean, just give it a little restart. So let's do it. All right, so first we just need to go to the store to get some products to help to revive my car. I think I'm gonna look for some car wipes and maybe some of that putty stuff that like you put in your cup holders and stuff to like get the dirt out. So we'll see, I don't know what else. And I'm also gonna try to find some organizing type things for like to clean up a little bit in here. So we'll see. Okay, I just got back from the store, so I'm gonna show you what I got for my car. First, I got cleaning wipes, and then I got command hooks, because I was thinking of putting my aux cord, kind of just gets all over because I leave it plugged in. So I was thinking of putting a hook like on the side of my center console type deal. I needed a new phone cord, so I got this. So this isn't meant for cars, but I got Flarp putty. I know that's kind of like the car putty that you use for like cup holders and stuff, so I'm gonna try to do that. Lastly, I got an aux cord. My other one's broken, so I'm hoping that this works with my adapter. Otherwise, that's a bummer. And then I got this organizer, and I'm hoping it fits in my center console, but it might be too big. Lastly, I got this tub for my trash can to go right down here. I'm gonna start by getting all the trash out. So I'm just gonna move my seat back. Okay, it's really cold outside. I'm gonna try to do this all inside my car. We're gonna see how that goes. So first I'm gonna get all the trash. All right, now I cleaned out all the trash and put it in one big bag. It's like way too full. Now I'm gonna start like wiping everything down and cleaning it with the putty, hopefully. Let's do that. So these are the Son of a Gun cleaning wipes, multi-surface cleaning for your car. That's what I'm using, and I'm just gonna wipe down like everything in here, steering wheel, center console, like the sides of the doors, stuff like that, because it's very dirty. They're very wet. Oh, all right, let's get to it. I have these little cup holder things in here. It won't come out. And it's like disgusting. So there's what's in my cup holder. We're gonna clean that out. Other one. Oh, this one has money in it. Got it. Cute. Anyway, we'll do that with the putty first. Okay, I haven't even gotten very far and just look. See that? That's from up there on the dashboard. Not cute. I finished wiping down the driver's side, so now I'm gonna wipe down everything on the passenger side. Then I will start using the little putty. Just finished the passenger side, so now I'm gonna try to use the little putty stuff in the cup holders because they're looking nasty. And I need to clean off the little thingies that go in them, and I'll finish that, and then I will start doing the other things. We got our putty. Oh, it feels weird. Anyways, we're gonna use it to get the stuff out of the bottom, and it's gonna be gross, and then we're just gonna throw it away. So I cleaned the cup holders out, and they're like a lot better than they were. I made a little bit of a mess, so I'm gonna have to wipe it down a second. This is what they look like, looking a lot better. I also got the grummy stuff out of there, so I'm gonna like wipe this down a little bit more. We're done with that. So I threw the putty away because it was absolutely disgusting. So I'm gonna finish wiping that down a little more and then start replacing things. All right, so I just wiped this down again, and then I cleaned the cup holder inserts, and then I put them back in the cup holder, so I'll show you what that looks like real quick. So they are looking a whole lot better. So I'm not really working on the back seat of my car because there's not really much to do back here. The seats are kind of dirty, but there's not much to like wipe down and clean and organize. So this is currently what my back seat looks like. I might do a couple things back here, pick up a little bit more trash, but other than that, there's not really much to do. So I'll show you guys that in a second. Okay, so this is my back seat. That is gonna go in the center console, but I just need to pick up some more trash over there. Okay, so this is my current trash can, and we'll be replacing that with this tub, and then we're gonna put a bag in it. So we will do that in a second. But this is what the back seat is looking like. So the doors and stuff are pretty clean. So I don't really have much to wipe down. And then this does come down into cup holders. So I will wipe that down a little bit, and then I think we will keep working on the front. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna start organizing up here. So I'll take you guys along with me for that. Alright, first we are gonna do inside here. So I got this, it's called a bathroom organizer, but it's just 3 little sections. And I already tried it in here and it fits. So we're gonna put it in here and then we will add other stuff back in too. I actually just realized it's not clean in here, so we're gonna wipe it off. Real quick, I'm gonna change out my scent tree. Struggling. Okay, and I do have one more of these. They came in a pack of 3, so I'm just gonna put it right down here next to our little organizer. All right, so I do have this thing that came with my car, a little coin holder and stuff. It goes right here when I hook it on. I don't know if I like that because it takes up a lot of space and I can't get to the bottom as easy. All right, so I think I'm actually just gonna put it in the glove compartment because I don't want to deal with it. Okay, this is what this is looking like so far. My wallet is just gonna go right there eventually, so I'm gonna figure out what to put in the other 2 real quick. All right, so I used to keep scrunchies and ponytails on my little shifter thing, whatever you want to call it. So I think I'm gonna put those in the front. Feminine products, just in case, you know. Okay, and I'm just gonna throw hand sanitizer in the middle. And then I just threw some pens on the side there, and I think that's it. So that's what it is looking like. Okay, and then I'm gonna keep these wipes in my car because they are a necessity. So I'm gonna put them down here, right next to my passenger seat. Now I need to hook up my new aux cord and hope that it works good, and then I need to hook up my charger. Okay, so this cord is like super long, so I think I'm gonna use the zip tie, well, not a zip tie, the little wire that came with it to wrap it around inside here in my compartment so that it is not all over the place. There's what that looks like. It'll just help keep it out of the way, and I think I might put a command hook right here for it, so that'll be great. I think I'm gonna install the command hook now so that this cord just stays out of the way because it's really annoying. Okay, well, this is not gonna work because the plastic on the inside of this is way too smooth for it, so it won't stick. I don't know what we're gonna do about that. I guess I'll just tie the cord up a little more. Then I will try to put one right here on the side like this, or the extra cord, and I guess we'll just do that. Bad news, this also doesn't want to stick anywhere else, so I guess we will not be doing that. So I'm just gonna real quick roll up the cord a little more and then call it good. This is what it's looking like, and it just sits on the plug-in, so actually it's okay, and then that kind of just dangles there. Okay, and then I have this phone charger that plugs in and then extends, so we're gonna put that in. All right, I'm gonna take this trash inside, and then I'm also gonna grab a plastic bag for the new trash can, and then I think we're about done. I got a little bag for the trash can and I put it in. So this is what it looks like. Fits really good. It looks so cute. So we're just gonna put that back there. That's all I got for you guys. So thanks for coming along. Bye.